Hi everyone. Today I thought I would show you how to hold your print jobs so that we can get rid of that pesky problem of not being able to find our prints. So the first thing you're going to do is come down to this Windows icon. You can also type in the search bar here if you know exactly what to search for. We are going to go to Settings. Settings will pop you on to a page that looks like this. We're going to go to Devices right here. From Devices, we're going to click Printers and Scanners. And then we're going to click the ELE main printer. And then we are going to click this button that says Manage. And then we're going to come down to where it says Printing Preferences. In Printing Preferences, we're going to go across to where it says Job Handling. Over here, you should have something that says Document Filing. You probably have something that says None right now. You're going to click Hold Only. And then if you would like to, you can click it to a custom folder. And then it will have you do a folder name. So you would do Add, and then the folder name you want. I'm going to put Test because I already have my name there. You're going to click OK. Then you're going to click OK. And then you're going to click Apply. Then we're going to click OK. And then any print job that you have will be sent to the printer. Now I'm going to move my screen over to my other little shot over here. See if I can get that all set up for you. All right, so now we have a picture from our printer side. And what we're going to do is we are going to click this right-hand arrow on the printer 2 times. That will take us to a page that looks like this. It has an HDD file retrieve. We are going to click on that HDD file retrieve. The HDD file retrieve will send us to a page that looks like this. On this one, you can click the main folder, or you can choose your quick file folder, which if you have named a folder for yourself, you would find that under here. When we're starting to get used to this file folder, there shouldn't be too many files, so you can also click the main file folder. Once you click that, it'll take you to the file folder page, and you can click your saved prints. So I have this right here, my ARC site visit that I saved. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to click down here for print now, and that print job should send all the way out into the printer, and done. Once you're done though, I do recommend highlighting your print again and making sure you delete that job so that we don't have a plethora of print jobs in our print settings. That's all I have today, and look out tomorrow for how to make sure you set up your printer if you need to send your jobs to other drawers. Thanks, bye.